Versatile 5½ in. Blade. Fast cutting blade is ideal for a range of DIY tasks. Variable speed trigger, for enhanced control over every job. Angled cuts. Bevel detents at 45 and 90 degrees for angled cuts. Tool-free depth adjustment, for quick and easy adjustments without extra tools. Tool-free blade change, swap out the blade without extra tools. Pivoting shoe, provides additional control. POWERCONNECT battery system. Interchangeable battery system means you can use one battery for multiple different tools. Battery not included. Top reviews from the United States. Great little portable, lightweight saw. I got this saw for cutting Trex composite decking. I needed something portable and lightweight for making rebuilding our deck easier. It works really well for that. It makes clean, straight cuts, it's very quiet, and I can get several cuts from a single battery. It also cuts 2x lumber easily enough. The main thing is to not try and force the saw through the material, but slow down and let the saw do the work. The little thin-kerf 11-tooth blade works very well. I am very happy with its performance. While this saw won't replace my 7¼ corded saw for everything, there's a lot that this little saw can do that makes many small jobs a lot easier. I am very happy with it.